Oops, let me just start that again. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello, my name is Adila, and I would like to welcome all of you to Pelican Call for Pelican Chit Chat. Now, have all of you had your lunch yet? Yes? No? No? Okay, I hope you guys try the Pizza Hut. We have Pizza Hut and Hot Cafe and so on. You can try and have your lunch there. Okay, for the rest of you, please remain seated. For all of you who have your children, hold on to your children. Okay, because these pelicans, they will fly down and it is not a fun thing to be pecked at. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to share with you some interesting information that I have learned about pelicans. As you can see, there are quite a number of them right behind me. Okay, so what are pelicans? Wait, before that, I almost forgot. Okay, I have my very important friend standing right up over there. Okay, and her name is Putri. So can all of you wave your hands and say, "Hi, Putri!" Hi! Okay, Putri, wave back. Hi, everyone! Okay, Putri is going to throw fish for the pelicans, okay? Alright, now what are pelicans? Pelicans are a group of large water birds that can be found along the coast of oceans and freshwater systems across the world. Okay, so in the world we have a total species of pelicans. We have about 8 species of them, and right now in Robot Park we have all 8 species of them. Okay, so I'm gonna try and ask you, I'm gonna test you. How many species of pelicans do we have in the world? That is correct. And how many species of pelicans do we have in Robot Park? That is correct. Okay, so the reason why I'm asking you this question is because at the end of the chit chat, I have some questions for you. And if you can answer them correctly, I have something special for you. Okay, so for the next 10 to 15 minutes, just pay close attention to me. Okay, alright, now let's start with the very first species of pelican, the Dalmatian pelican, right over here. Okay, and Putri is feeding one right in front of us there. Okay, they are the ones with the messy hairdo. Now the Dalmatian pelican, Pelicanus crispus. Yes, the scientific name is Pelicanus crispus. Sorry, I'm very new with the scientific names. Okay, I'm still learning them. Alright, the Dalmatian pelicans are the largest in the world, the largest species of pelicans in the world. And also they are the rarest species of pelicans. Okay, their population has been declining across this range due to overfishing. Okay, so that is very, very sad. But we are very happy to tell all of you that we have been quite successful in breeding this endangered species. Alright, so let's move on to pelicans that can be found in Africa, the great white pelicans. There are a lot of them right here at the front, and Putri is feeding them right now. Can you see them? Okay, they are the very, like the big ones there. Okay, they are called the great white pelicans. Now the great white pelicans, their plumage are actually a little bit pinkish, and for this reason they are also known as the roseate pelican. Alright, now the pink-backed pelican on the other hand, right there at the end of the railing, and Putri just fed the pink-backed pelican. The pink-backed pelican, Pelicanus rufensis, gets its name from the patch of pink feathers on its back, which you might be lucky enough to see only if they spread their wings open to fly. Alright, now enough about the pelicans in Africa. Why don't we talk about the pelicans that can be found in Asia, the spot-billed pelicans. And there are about a few of them on the railing. That's all. Only 3 of them. Okay, I can only see 3 of them right over there. Where? Oh, there is one at the back. I don't think you guys can see them. Okay. There are the spot-billed pelican, Pelicanus. Pelicanus occidentis. Is that those? Oh, Pelicanus philippensis. Oh my god, I really need to brush up on my scientific name. Okay, the spot-billed pelicans can be found from Pakistan all the way across to Indonesia, and they are the only species of pelicans that nest on trees. So if you are walking around Robot Park and you happen to see a very huge nest, that might belong to the spot-billed pelican. Alright, so I'm going to ask, how many of you are from Australia? Anyone here from Australia? Oh, do you happen to know? Hi, do you happen to know the pelican from Australia? What's the name of it? You don't know? No? You want to try? You don't want to try? Okay, they are called the Australian pelicans. Okay, and they are just right here. I see one over here, about 3 four of them in the tank right now. They are the ones with the black feathers on their back. They are called the Australian pelican. Alright, and the male Australian pelican has the longest bill in the bird world. Can be measured up to 2 feet long, which is about 60 centimeters. And if you take a look at the Australian pelicans, can you see the rings around their eyes? Okay, but then they are known as the spectacled pelican. Am I breaking up? No. Okay, now let's move on to the next species of pelicans. Pelicans that can be found in North America, which is the brown pelican right in front of Putri. Putri, where are you going? There you go. That is called the brown pelican, the one that just flew away. It is actually the smallest species of pelican. Alright, now the brown pelican is different from the rest of the other species of pelicans, okay? Unlike the other species of pelicans that just scoop fish out of water, the brown pelican will dive deep into the water to catch fish. And this is not a natural behavior of a pelican, alright? The young pelicans have to learn from the adult pelicans in order to master the technique of diving for fish. And speaking of diving for fish, there is another species of pelicans that dive. And it is called the Peruvian pelican. Right now, if you cannot find the Peruvian pelicans right here, they are actually housed at a wetland exhibit. So after this picture, you can take a walk at the wetland exhibit and try to look out for the Peruvian pelican. Now I've come to the last species of pelican. It's the American white pelican. But let me see. Putri, is the American white pelican here? I cannot see it. Is that a jetty? Alright, the American white pelican is feeling a bit shy right now. So, whoa, that was good. Okay, I just had my shower, okay? Okay, the American white pelican can be found at the jetty, alright? So after the chit-chat, you can go to the jetty and take a look at the American white pelican. They are very easy to spot. They have very yellow cheeks and very orange bills. Alright, so take a look at the American white pelicans later. Alright, now in the beginning, I did mention that the peculiar traits of the pelicans are the large throat pouches and the long bills, right? So if you take a look inside the tank, can you see any pouches in there? Yes, can anyone see any pouches in there? Yes? Where? The fish inside, yeah, there are a lot of fishes inside. But let's talk about the pelicans, okay? Alright, now you cannot see any pouches in the tank. So right now, why don't you take out your cameras or your phone, because Putri is going to throw lots of fish into the tank, okay? So now take out your phone and your cameras. I'm going to give you a few more seconds. Okay. Now is everyone ready? Yes, only this family is ready. Only one family is ready, Putri. The rest are not ready. Now, is everyone ready?
Yeah!
Alright. Okay, Putri, are you ready? Putri, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, can you see that? Oh, that's that. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, now these are called the pouches. Okay, and these pouches are very elastic. They can stretch up and hold up to 13 liters of water, which is equivalent to 40 cans of soft drinks. You know, that is huge. But before they swallow fish, they will drain out the water, so don't worry about that. Now we have come to the question and answer segment. So if you want to answer my question, just raise up your hand and try to get my attention. Alright, now if you get to answer my questions correctly, I will give you this hand stamp. Alright, and this hand stamp will give you a packet of fish for you to feed the pelicans later at the jetty. Alright? Okay, now let's start with the very first question. What is the largest species of pelican? Yes? Australian pelican, do you want to try again?
Yes! Yeah.
Australian pelican is not the largest species of pelican. It starts with the letter D. That is correct, the Dalmatian pelican. Alright, here you go. Okay, now, the second question. Now, you just asked the largest. What is the smallest species of pelican? Yes? Oh, this is correct. The brown pelican. Here you go. Alright. And I'm so sorry about that. Okay, now for the last question. Can anyone tell me what is the name of our fish thrower? Anyone? Yes?
Putri.
What? Putri, is that your name? Her name is Putro. Okay, here you go. Okay, let's give a round of applause to all our winners. Okay, now if you want to win the Pelican Steel, you can do so with just a contribution of $2. Please bring an exact amount of money because we do not have any change in hand. Alright, now all contributions will go to the 27 conservation projects that we support across the region. Okay, we will give you gloves to handle the fish, water, hand sanitizer, and towel for you to clean your hands afterwards. Now the next feeding section will be at the waterfall area at 2:30 p.m. Just follow the road and we will lead you to the break there. Okay, everyone, audience, thank you and goodbye everyone. Thank you.